Hey guys, and welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. So you guys keep telling me you love coin roll hunts, so we're going to do some 50-cent coins today and see how we go. Never know what you're going to find, so I might try and look a little bit closer today and just check for doubling and those kind of things as well. I've been a bit slack lately when I've been going through coins, not looking at them properly. Should be able to pick it up fairly well here if we find something worth keeping. Might just zoom in a bit. That'll help the eyes. Oh, there we go. There's a Victoria Federation coin. So that's a keeper right there. 2001. Alright, we got one keeper so far. Only a few coins in. So I'm just looking around the feet and around the 50s for starters, and if I see anything worth looking any further, I will do so, but that's the spot I'm sort of just focusing on because that seems to be the area where the doubling usually occurs. So yeah, I'm not seeing anything there. Finding plenty of 2016s. Might be a little bit of doubling on the bottom of the kangaroo's left foot, but not too much really anywhere else, so not really worth hanging on to. There's certainly better ones to find than that. Quite a nice looking Jubilee. Might keep that one aside. Used to find them all the time looking that good, but not so much anymore. Thought I could see a bit of a double bar going on there, but not so. No double bar on that one. Here's a Jubilee like we found before, but yeah, a lot nicer than the one we found earlier. So, yep. There's a 1980 double bar. So double bar behind the emu's head. So I might put that one aside as well for now. Nice sort of double rim on this one. But nothing else. I'll put it aside for now. Couple more from this roll. Grab a few, get through them a bit quicker. 2015. No, can't see anything special on that one. 78. '83. No. No. Finding plenty of them, but no good ones as yet. What's this one? Oh, yep. Fairly common. I've got plenty of them, so let's hope something good turns up soon. Fairly worn. Another one. Not incused, and it's not a fat letter. Alright, this one seems to have a bit of doubling around the bottom of the foot. I don't know if I can zoom in any further. Oh, I can. It's only a little bit really. And there's nothing around the 5 or the 0. And certainly nothing around the kangaroo or the legs of the emu. So, no, it's not one that I'm going to keep. Sometimes you see some really large cuds on the bottom of the feet of the kangaroo, so keep an eye out for that when you're going through them. We're not finding too much right now. I think we'll do one more roll after this, and then we'll have a quick look at what we've actually put aside. Zoom in a bit closer on this one, just have a look at the bottom of the foot there. Certainly something going on there. The bottom of the left foot looks like a fairly... Yeah, certainly. I'll have a closer look at that one. But you can certainly see some doubling. Sorry about the dog barking like crazy. You can really see... Let's grab a pen. It's almost like bleeding outside of the zero there, and on the outside here, it's not bleeding, but you know like what I mean. There's additional metal, certainly around that 5 there, and the bottom of the foot of the kangaroo. Just check up around here. Yeah, I'll have to. What year is this? 2007. So that's a good one. That one. Just compare it to another coin. Just have a look at what we got there. 96. We'll try and compare something a little bit newer than that. What have we got here? Oh, these are 2006. Let's compare the two. Yeah, you can certainly see that what's going on there around the 5 and the 0. And the bottom of the kangaroo's foot there. It's certainly a massive cud, really. Or no, I'd say it's the breaking down of the die more so than doubling as such or double struck. But that's a very nice one there. So we'll certainly keep that one aside and get this one finished, and we'll just have a quick little look at what we've kept aside for today. Sorry, I'm very zoomed in. Oh, there's another 2007. So if we compare the two, yeah, well, it seems to be fairly consistent. I can see the difference. There is still some sort of doubling going on that 2007 down the bottom there, but that one up the top there, wow, what a massive difference. So certainly well worth looking out for that particular error. Alright, well, we've pretty much gone through all the coins. I don't think there's anything else here to look at. No. So yeah, we've kept aside, we'll keep both these 2007s, which is quite nice. And what else do we keep? 2006, which I've got to look at a little bit closer. And we got one state coin, so from Victoria. We got a double bar, which is a 1980 double bar, and a fairly nice looking Jubilee from 1977. Alright guys, let me know what you're finding, and I look forward to bringing you another video soon. Thanks for watching.